So again, if you have something to add on the food memories.
So I've actually seen this in my grandmother's house. You know, avocado being prepared, it was a whole ritual. People would go for that mango to Mosenzari market, get the correct size, and it couldn't be made any old time. It had to be made on the Kartik, the hottest day in Hyderabad. And we would all wait eagerly for that avocado to be opened so that we could eat. And mostly it was the avocado, right? And upma and gongura.
And of course the pachdi.
Gongura.
So you have any food memories that you'd like to recall?
It is so funny when I read the book and it was nostalgia and it was Hyderabad in the 70s. And I just did not have any of these as my nostalgia because I grew up with Muslim Hyderabad. So we never made pachadis and we never made, I mean this all came to me in my life when I met Nagesh with Hyderabad Blues and then I went into, you know, knowing, I had never been to Narayanpura in my life except to go for exams if our hall center was Reddy College or something. So, you know, that part of Hyderabad was so lost to us, it was only to go watch movies. So when all this came out and then when they said Gokura mutton, I realized how this is our gosh, this is our Ambana gosh. So it was very similar on both fronts. But my Muslim Hyderabad had none of these memories. We used to go to Sangeet, we used to go to Anand, we used to go to Sham Talkies. But Venkatesh and all we never went to. I told you, I don't know. They go for Telugu movies, exactly. And I still don't know Telugu as a language. It's only Dakkani and English or जो भी है मालूम. तो ये this was actually fascinating कि इतनी देर के बाद when you say a book about Hyderabad, तो उठा के I'm thinking how ये तो पूरा मेरे को मालूम पर मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. मतलब उन्होंने 2-3 डांस स्टेप्स के नाम लिखे बड़े कि I was like I have no idea what she was talking about and I felt very humbled that there was this big part of Hyderabad which they called nostalgic because we kept saying that NTR came and Teluguized Hyderabad, NTR came and he made it so Telugu because we were Nizam के बाद हम लोग आते थे बीच में कोई था नहीं. So you know.
So I am a Kais community from Hyderabad, which is completely third world in a way, but of course Kais community takes from best of both the worlds.
But
I think.
mostly us, right?
Yes. So, but you're so right because even my memories are very different from either of the ones. But that's the beauty of places like Hyderabad and Lucknow, that they have such a syncretic culture that all these religions so nicely coexist and they all give you very varied, diverse experiences. And it is really nice that you brought this up because that's the beauty of a city like Hyderabad. Because everything coexists and everybody enjoys the other part of it as well.